Part 1. The Law of Attraction. Chronicles. This just might be the most important guide you will ever need to attract everything in life. Theories are also emerging that the law of attraction was used in the past by scientists and musicians such as Einstein and Beethoven. Many experts also believe that even though people are unaware about the law of attraction, it is continuously working in every individual's life. Do you believe? There are many people who wonder whether a person who believes in the law of attraction can achieve everything their heart desires. The dilemma arises because of the belief that things do not come easy in life. Hence, logically, even many open-minded people find it difficult to believe in attracting anything you want. Most people find it very difficult to believe in this universal law, even if they want to believe that they can have everything they want just by thinking about their ambitions, hopes and dreams. Many open-minded people, after believing for years that things do not come easy in any individual's life, reach a point that they find it extremely hard to believe that they can achieve all that they desire by simply using this law. But when provided scientific evidence that supports the law of attraction, many people have come to believe the power of this principle. Noted authors about this topic such as Rhonda Byrne believes that most people cannot achieve their desired goals because they are living in the epidemic of negative thought processes. Such people focus on what they do not want and what they are lacking in their life rather than focusing on what they have and what they want. This is why the rich get richer, and the poor get poorer. It is because the rich thinks of money all day and how to get more, while the poor thinks about not having enough or lack. Most people also completely misunderstand it, which results in the misuse of the law. Thus, in order to understand the law of attraction, it is important to adopt a perspective of subjective reality. Thereby, focusing on the art of attracting will help every individual achieve what he or she wants, in his or her life. It will help every individual create his or her own reality by focusing on positive actions and thought processes. The law of attraction essentially means allowing positive thoughts to multiply and minimize negative thoughts to achieve what your heart truly desires. Learning about this universal law can help every individual harness power in their own life with good habits. But while using the power of it, one must remain cautious at all times so that use does not result in misuse. The debate about law of attraction can be tracked all the way back to the 19th century, and like all pseudo-spiritual and spiritual movements, the debate about law of attraction did not come from channeled entities. Thomas Troward started the New Thought movement in the 19th century in the United States and had a strong influence on the movement. He claimed that the thought process of a person precedes all physical form, and hence the mind's action can plant the nucleus which, if it is allowed to have an undisturbed growth, will eventually attract all the necessary circumstances for outward manifestation. Like attracts like. Between 1900 and 1911, James Allen, another English New Thought writer, wrote a series of articles and books which were continued by his wife Lily Allen. In 1902, James Allen published one of his best-known articles, As a Man Thinketh. This formed the basis of the New Thought movement in the early 1900s. William Walker Atkinson in 1906 started using the phrase like attracts like in one of his famous books, Thought Vibration, or The Law of Attraction in the Thought World. These articles started the basis for the debate about law of attraction being revived, and the revival continued when Elizabeth Town summarized the principle of the law of attraction by stating that a person is what he or she thinks and not what he or she thinks is. Wallace D. Wattles is one of the early authors of the New Thought movement and also on the law of attraction when he wrote that things can be made from thinking about them. He also wrote that our thought process is actually a substance which can help in the outer manifestation of things, but to do so a person must transcend to the creative mind from the competitive mind. This principle was supported by quantum physics when Niels Bohr discovered that energy can be in the form of a particle or a wave. Moreover, energy is completely dependent on the expectations of the observer. During this time, Napoleon Hill published two of his famous books, The Law of Success in 16 Lessons and Think and Grow Rich. These two books went on to become some of the best-selling books of all times, which discussed the importance of controlling a person's thought process in order to be successful in life. Napoleon Hill suggested that the secret to achieving success is by attracting positivity and success into one's life by actually thinking about positive happenings and success. In 1937, Israel Regardie published several books on the concept of law of attraction as having a biblical basis, and one such book, The Art of True Healing, teaches the reader about using the technique of focused meditation to help healing of the mind at a spiritual and physical level. Regardie suggests that law of attraction can be used to attract good physical health and is also applicable in the pursuit of success in different aspects of life. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in part 2.